Sanggunian is everyone. Everyone is Sanggunian. I am Ian Agatep, running for Vice President of the Sanggunian. Ano nga ba tinitingnan natin sa loob ng isang sanggunian pag naniniwala tayo, bawat isa sa inyo ay may karapatan dito, bawat isa sa inyo ay nagdadala ng isang bagay upang mahalin niyo yun. Sanggu is about service and leadership. Sanggu says a lot about the persons that they represent. And Sanggu says a lot about each and every one of you. I want to take you to the road to an enabled Sanggunian, a Sanggunian that is everyone, the road towards relevant discussions, that you will own them, that you will see how you are formed as students. Paano gagawin yun? Kilala mo ba block rep mo? Kilala mo ba course rep mo? Kinakausap mo ba siya? Dinalandi mo ba siya? Sinachat mo ba siya? Paano mo gagawin yun? How do you know the persons that actually serve you? And with that, you get relevant discussions. It's a two-way thing. From student leader and student, you connect them, you get a greater potential of what you want as a student, what you want as a student government, what you want as a student body. Second, actualize a community of practice. What is a community of practice? Pinagbibigyan halaga natin ang student leadership, disaster response, socio-political awareness, spiritual maturity. All of these things are part of your student formation here in the Ateneo. And yet, ginagawa ba natin siya every day in our lives? Do we value practice? Kaya tayo may ina from first year hanggang fourth year because we want to give relevance on how we form ourselves. And side by side, with actualizing a community of practice, we understand these things. Meron tayong ATF 2030 next year. Gagawin natin yung mga election initiatives natin. Gagawin natin yung mga ating relationships with our COA and MARSA counterparts. We do these things with the community, with one Ateneo, with one community. Lastly, develop a mature institution. Ang Sanggu nandito na for 80 or so years, and yet question the relevance of the very institution that we belong to, the very institution that we, each and every one of you, represent to. Because, nandito ako sa Ateneo at nagsasalita sa harap niyo dahil estudyante ako na nag-aaral bilang isang Atenista na naniniwala na may karapatan ako sabihin na ako ay si Ian Agatep. Na ako ay isang estudyante rin, naniniwala na may kakayahan. And that is Sanggunian, which is each and every one of you. Let us take that Sanggunian to be enabled. Let us take it to the road, relevant discussions, actualize the community of practice, and develop the mature institution that we want to see. Let's see the Sanggu that has bloomed to be someone that is better than yesterday and even bigger in the coming years. Ian Agatep, Vice President. Salamat.